So we will properly
Now,
analyze the match.
this match where Spain just show say na them the big boys for this match. They just start from the back, midfield, attack. I just say the finishing dey very important. For the finishing where everything just scatter because starting from the first minute to the end minute, they just play Argentina. Argentina don't even see anything play. They just play Argentina very good football.
Actually, Argentina executed their game plan, but the main thing is that Spain is a very good, better side. That the only way they did na just that attack. Spain they were very good. Like their defense for playing the whole game now to concede only one goal
Yeah,
is very hard in the World Cup. Concede only one goal. So in the other side, Argentina na team where they score very well, but today Spain showed them saying that them be the best team for the
yeah,
tournament. Now them get the best defense, and then get the best midfield because they no gree Argentina play anything starting from minute 1 to minute 120. If anything what Argentina do, they only progress, only reach midfield. Spain go stop them, counter them back. But you say Spain no do like that, you say Spain was like waiting may Argentina do them that counter what Argentina they expect.
yeah. Expect
Therefore really suffer for the
Argentina
match.
for
But Spain really tried. Spain really like they really played well for the
yeah,
match.
yeah.
Like for shutting down
Not only try, they play very well.
shutting down a whole Argentina, like they don't even get shot for the
Sure.
first 90 minutes. And around when they can't score them, that time Argentina can't they shoot anyhow where they can't get shot, but they don't get shot on target. But it was a very good entertaining match
Oh,
for Spain. Because Argentina, it was a very very poor game. Though
not be
I,
waiting they really
not
expect.
beating a really expect. Because Spain showed them high hand for the match,
Yeah,
so it was a really nice game from Spain.
yeah. Congratulations to Spain. They really played very well. Now them deserve this World Cup because they show everything starting from the defense, everything. Kudos to them, Sha.
Kudos to them for winning the World Cup.